Hi there. If you work on asset tokenization, you might wonder how to do it in a compliant fashion. How can you be sure that your investor's identity gets verified and background checked before they interact with your assets? To do that, you might have considered solutions like the integration of an ERC-3643 smart contract. There is much more simple. Let me show you. In a previous video, I showed you how to set up a Compilot instance on Evergon to integrate KYC and KYB. Today, we cover the signature gating process. In short, signature gating allows you to restrict access, verify eligibility, and enable secure interaction with your contracts. This signature will be enforced this way. When the user tries to participate to a sale, they will be prompted this verification process. The widget makes the connection between a wallet and the identity of your user or the business of the user. Then background checks are run just to make sure that the wallet is secure. Let's dive into the setup. I've created a marketplace with Evergon for that demonstration, and I'll navigate to my dashboard to start and create my first market. I will choose this one, the real-world assets with vesting gated by Compilot. I'll deploy it on Sepolia, sign and finish. Now, every sale that will be created from that market will be gated by a verification process. Now, I will plug this market to Compilot. I create a Compilot instance. I will grab my API key in my settings here, and then create a set of rules that will be enforced for the interactions with that market. To do that, I will plug the workflow IDs directly here in my settings, one by one, KYC, KYB, and most importantly, the signature gating process here. Let's create that set of rules, and now for that market, I will just select these rules that I've created to gate the market. Now there is this double way setting, which I have to plug from Compilot this time, and I will add my contract to the allow list here. So the contract name is gated market, the contract address, and the contract ABI to recognize the functions that have to be gated, and then select the network I'm deploying on. Here, Sepolia. Okay, done. Refresh, and I will open the Compilot widget now to verify my own wallet as an admin. Documents are uploaded, now the face scan. And that's it, checked. It says that I'm all set, so let's go to the next step. Now, the underlying assets. So I'm going to create an ERC20 that is gated by Compilot again. Let's say this is a real estate token. I'm going to create an SPV token for a imaginary real estate company. 1 million tokens, and let's go to the next step and deploy the contract. And again, I'll plug that contract into Compilot via their interface. So here I receive a set of instructions. I will select the same rules as the ones of the market, open up the instructions, and add that contract to the allow list directly in Compilot in the SIG gating workflow. I'm gonna add the contract ERC20 gated. The name was SPV, just for the reminder. I will add the ABI, copying from here directly, and select the chain, which is Sepolia again. Saving, contract has been added successfully, and all is set. All right, now to the final step. I'm going to create a sale within this gated market. I'll go straight to the point, just add an image to recognize it. No need for an extensive pitch. And directly to the main point, the SPV token that I wrap. This is the one that we just created that is gated by Compilot, and I'm wrapping it within that sale. And I'm going to sell 100,000 of those tokens. Next step, selecting basic parameters. Users will pay with USDC, a soft cap, a hard cap, minimum and maximum per investor, and the price per fraction of 1 USDC per token. Now let's deploy that sale contract. Now let's head directly to the marketplace to see it appear. Here's the tokenized marketplace, and if I go down here or explore the opportunities, I can see the demo sale SPV token here. Alright, now the sale is open to purchase, and we will see the difference between two different profiles. Do you remember that as an admin, I did verify my wallet during the process there? So it looks like if I wanted to, I would be able to just continue and buy a token right now because my wallet is verified. Now log out and sign back in as an investor. So I've just created an account, now signing back in as the investor and connecting with a wallet I created specifically for that purpose. Investor, connect the account, refreshing the page, and let's have a look at it now. If I try to buy, now I am asked to get verified first, and this is the gating process here. If I click here, same process, I will have to go through the full verification, dropping my ID, face scan until I get verified and until my wallet is marked as secure. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comment if you have any question, and see you on Evergon very soon. Bye bye.